Today I'm going to show you how I draw realistic lips using alcohol markers. First, I use a pencil to lightly draw out the outline of the lips. Then I use a soft eraser to dab off the darker pencil lines so that there's only a light outline. I start off by tracing out the inner corners of the lips using a dark gray and also shade in the teeth using lighter shades of gray. I also use a white gel pen to add on a little bit of highlight at the bottom of the teeth. Then I go in with the darkest shade of red and draw curved lines towards the center of the lips. I add on lighter shades of pink as I move outwards, always making sure to color towards the center. This helps to create the natural creases on the lips and makes it look more realistic. Finally, I use a gel pen again to add on highlight by drawing streaks towards the center. Here's the final result. Here's a tutorial on how to draw a super realistic peach using alcohol markers. Start by drawing a circle. Add on a stem and some leaves. Make sure that you're drawing really lightly so that the pencil lines won't show too much when you color. Now that you have your outline, we're going to start coloring. I'm starting off with the darkest shade of red and coloring 2 spots on the peach. Then I'm using a lighter shade of red to blend outwards. I'm also using the darkest shade of yellow to shade the edges of the peach. Then I'm using a lighter shade of yellow to blend it out. For the leaves, also start with the darkest shade of green and color in the direction of the leaf. Feel free to save this video and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Today I'm going to show you how to draw realistic lips using alcohol markers. For the draft, I'm using really broad lines to estimate where I want everything to be. Once I have the general shapes, I'm erasing the draft lines so that I can just barely see the outlines. Then, I'm using my pencil to lightly draw on the lips again. I like to start by coloring the darkest areas, so I'm using the black marker to carefully shade in the lips. I'm also going in with various shades of gray to shade in the shadows on the lips. Once I'm finished shading everything, I'm going in with the darkest shade of red. I'm drawing lines from the center of the lips outwards, forming light creases. I'm also using lighter shades of red to blend it out. I'm using the gel pen to draw lines inwards and also adding on dots of white to give it a glossy appearance. I also have a longer tutorial posted on my YouTube, so if you're looking for more details, I would highly recommend watching it.